Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can create attendance sheets in Google Sheets mobile. Okay, first of all, we can add checkbox to the day's column. So we can select the column like this, and we're gonna click on this three dots button and select data validation, and on the criteria we have to select checkbox, this one, and save the rule. Tap on the save button, and as you can see that the checkboxes have been added to my columns. And we're going to add formula to this total column. Make sure that you pay attention to this formula. We have to add equal and count if, and select the range. I'm going to select B3 cell to F3 cell and put true. Okay, and now the formula has been added to the total column, and I'm going to autofill like this. Okay, and I'm going to show you how this attendance sheets works. So we can click on the checkbox like this. Alright guys, and that's how we can create attendance sheets in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.